Hello, my dear student, class 12. Now, this is the second part of Thank You, Ma'am, written by Langston Hughes. So, today I am going to discuss the second part. Before going to the second part, I just want to ask some word that will actually make you more aware about the study. So, let's start. Let's start. Write down number one. Hammer, snatch, blast, giant sitter, parse, sartront, turn to look, hum, starting up, bothering, get through. That's all. Ignore what your meaning लिखबे, parts of speech लिखबे, and try to write down the sentence. Now today's story started from here. Sweat popped out on the boy's face, and he began to struggle. Mr. Jones stopped, chucked him around in front of her, but and continued to dragging up the street. When she got to her door, she dragged the boy inside, down a hall and into a large kitchenette furnished room at the rear of the house. She switched on the light and left the door open. The boy could hear other roomers laughing and talking in the large house. Some of their doors were open too, so he knew he and the woman were not alone. The woman still had him by the neck in the middle of her room. Before discussing this paragraph, I just want to get a little bit summary of the last day. Who didn't watch the last days, please watch it. Last day we have seen Mr. Lulavitz Washington Jones finally took care of the boy, unknown boy Jones. She tried her level best to teach him that what is right and what is wrong. Finally, she decided that the boy had not given proper guideline to be a proper man, to be a proper human being. In that circumstances, she decided to took him to his house, to her house, and gave him the proper learning and proper fooding because he was so much hungry. So being a motherhood behavior, Mrs. Lulavitz Washington Jones took him to her house. And in that circumstances, we have seen what happened on the way when she reached to the home. Sweat popped out on the boy's face. The boy was really in a panic that what would be happen. He began to struggle, means he tried his level best to get rid of from this situation. But Mrs. Jones jerked him around in front of her. Mrs. Jones actually caught him hardly, and it was impossible for him to snatch away, to go away from that place. Finally, the woman took his front part of the collar and it's যেটাকে আমরা বলি half Nelson, put into with all fingers, মুষ্টিবদ্ধ, যেটা আমরা ইউজ করি wrestling ম্যাচের ক্ষেত্রে, and drag him up the street. টানতে হিঁচড়ে তাকে নিয়ে এসেছিল. When she got to her door, she dragged the boy inside down a hall. Ultimately, she dragged him till to the house, into the large kitchenette furnished room. It's a small kitchen with a well furnished. with tip top, একদম সাজানো গোছানো যাকে আমরা বলি. The boy watched that inside the room there was other rumors. They were laughing. So the boy, quite well known about the circumstances, about the situation, that it was impossible for him to go away. One way he could hear the other boys, other rumors, other people who are talking each other. And door was open, no doubt, but everything in their watch. So the omen opened him, no doubt, had him by the neck in the middle of the room and opened it. Like escape kore deowa holo. She actually put him alone, put him free. So how do you remember this one? By writing the summary. This paragraph provide you what kind of information? কি কি ইনফরমেশন এই প্যারাগ্রাফে দেওয়া হচ্ছে তোমাকে? The first information, the boy was really tired after struggling lot of. Lulabet Swassington Jones caught him hardly and reached to the house with a full of care. The other roomers also laughing and gossiping each other. The boy knew it was impossible for him to go away from that place. She said, "What is your name?" Now this is the interaction between the two, just to know about his background. She said, "What is your name? What's your name?" What? She asked what his name was. Reporting kintu korte hobe tomaderke. Rosa, answered the boy. The boy answered positively that his name was Rosa. The Rosa, you go to the sink and wash your face, said the woman. Whereupon the turned him loose at last. Rosa looked at the door, looked at the woman, looked at the door and went to the sink. So Lulabet Swassington Jones ordered him to clean properly and in the sink till it was a real tight to Lulabet Jones and Rosa. But now he is free. So he looked around the room to the door and finally reached to the sink. Sinker kache pahunche gelo to wash himself. Let the water run until it gets warm, she said. Here is a clean towel. You gonna take me to jail? Asked the boy, bending over the sink. Not with the fish, with that fish. I would not take you nowhere, said the woman. Here I am trying to get home to cook me a bite to eat and you snatch my pocketbook. Maybe you are not been to your supper either, let as it be. Have you? So this dialogue, you just try to realize how a man turn into love, how a man to be affectionate to each other and behave goodly and try to change the humanity, try to change the character. Now, the boy asked very positively whether the woman put him into the jail. The woman replied, as being a mother, as a mother would behavior, that he would not take him anywhere in this unclean fish. So the boy was really doubtful what would be going to be happen. What is now in his life? How he is going to be in danger? How he is now going out from this danger? Lulabet Swassington Jones actually noticed that she is ready to make some food for him. Otherwise, it would be late for supper. So don't talk, be clean and ready for the food. There's nobody home at my house, said the boy. The boy was really in a grief, in an unhappy mood, sad mood. He replied that there was nobody at his home. Then we will eat, said the woman. I believe you are hungry or been hungry to try to snatch me my pocketbook. I know you are right. And I know very well that you are hungry. And that's why you are tried your level best to snatch my pocketbook. It's a story. তুমি আমার পকেট বুকটা স্ন্যাচ করার পেছনে মূল কারণ হচ্ছে you are hungry. I wanted a pair of blue suede shoes, said the boy. But the boy negatively reported the woman that yes, he snatched, no doubt. But the reason is not for hunger. It's a reason for he wanted a blue suede shoes and should have said juto chai. Well, he didn't have to snatch my pocketbook to get some suede shoes, said Mrs. Lulabetz Washington Jones. He could not. He could have asked me, madam. So Lulabetz Washington Jones suggested him that yes, if you are not hungry, if you really need a pair of shoes, so you can ask me. You wanted me, you demanded your requirement to me. How simple the woman is. How tough at the moment of beginning. Now how simple the woman is, you can realize. The water dripping from his face, the boy looked at her. There was a long pause, a very long pause. After he had dried his face and not knowing what else to do, dried it again, the boy turned around, wondering what next. The door was open. He could make a dash for it down the hall. He could run. So this paragraph will provide you the real connection between the two hearts. They are paused between each other. Lulabetz Washington Jones realized the real circumstances of the boy, and she knew very well this is the age where the wish or desire is a normal. Dream is normal. So everyone watched the dream in his life. But to fulfill the dream, this is not the proper way. And finally, the boy was in a pause because he thought that, oh, what I have done. He thought lots of negative in his life, and at last he saw the open door. So he thought that he may run, he can go away from that place. But he didn't. Why? The woman was sitting on the bed. After a while she said, I were young once and I wanted things I could not get. There was another long pause. The boy's mouth opened. Then he frowned, but not knowing he frowned. So it was an amazing relations between two. The Lulabetz Washington Jones expressed her views that yes, she was also in a desire. She was also had a dream in his life when she was in your age. But she did not fulfill the dream like that way what you have actually followed. Now the boy actually surprised to get the descriptions from the Lulabetz Washington Jones because he never thought that this kinds of wish is normal in human life. You thought I was going to say, but I didn't snatch people's pocketbook. Well, I was not going to say that. Pause, silence. I have done things too, which I would not tell you, son, neither tell God if you didn't already know. So you get down while I fix you something to eat. You might run that comb through your hair so you will look presentable. So it's quite clear in this paragraph that what is Lulabetz Washington Jones actually want. She explained that it was a normal wish, normal desire of human life, what you had. But this is not the way what you have actually run to snatch something to fulfill your desire. It is not the proper way. I will tell you what is the right way to fulfill your desire. Please go. I will tell you the story what never God know. But I will tell you today about my last life. So please go to the room and comb your hair properly. It will look to you presentable, look proper, look gentle. In another corner of the room, behind the screen was a plate and an icebox. It was the proper descriptions given by Langston Hughes. Just give the proper descriptions of the room. Mrs. Jones got up and went behind the screen. The woman didn't watch the boy to see if he was going to run now. No, nor did she watch her purse, what she left behind her on the day bed. But the boy took care to sit on the far side of the room where he thought he could easily see him out of the corner of the room, other eye, if she wanted 2. He did not trust the woman, not to trust him, and he did not want to be much mistrusted now. So this paragraph actually summarizes the situation that it's an open room. The woman was busy. The woman was busy in his own job for preparing the food. The path is open, the door is open. The boy was sitting in a debate. It was totally open. So it's an easy way the boy can go from that room or can easily way out from that house, because there was a curtain, there was a screen, porda dewa ache, the woman was behind the screen, so it was not impossible for him to go outside. He can easily go away. But a man who trusts him, a woman who trusts him and behaved like a good mother, so he didn't want to mistrust it now. আর সে অবিশ্বাসী হতে চায় না, সে যে পথটা পেয়েছে সে পথটা থেকে আর বেরিয়ে আসতে চায় না. That was the real reasons for his life. And he believed that if you go away from that place, what would happen? He was mistrusted. He was unbelievable in this world, and he was alone again. Do you need somebody to go to the store? Ask the boy, maybe to get some milk or something. The boy really connected with the woman and asked as like a song that whether my mother please ordered me, if really you need something, I will. I do that. Maybe to get some milk or something. Let's you go and give me some milk to eat. So this is the lessons today. I'm given the proper description. তোমাদের যেটা কাজ হবে কিছু কোশ্চেন্স এখান থেকে লেখা, আর ইনভার্টেড কমা সেন্টেন্সগুলোকে কি লিখতে হবে, ইন ন্যারেশন চেঞ্জ করবেই করবে. ইউ শুড ডু দ্যাট. ডাইরেক্ট টু ইনডাইরেক্ট, প্রথমে ডাইরেক্টে লিখবে, তারপর ইনডাইরেক্ট করবে, অ্যান্ড রাইট দ্য সামারি. তিনটে সামারি তোমরা এখান থেকে করবে. একটা হচ্ছে একটা করবে তোমরা এই প্যারাটার একটা, এই পেজে তোমরা দুটো করবে, এইখান পর্যন্ত একটা করবে, আর এই জায়গাটা থেকে এটা একটা করবে, লাস্ট প্যারাটার একটা করবে. মোট চারটে সামারাইজ করলেই আই থিঙ্ক দিস প্যারাগ্রাফ উইল বি কমপ্লিটেড. এবং এর মধ্যে আমি কতগুলো কোশ্চেন তোমাদেরকে দিচ্ছি, সেগুলো তোমরা লিখে রাখবে. নাম্বার 1, প্রথম কোশ্চেন যেটা করবে সেটা হচ্ছে, হাউ ডিড দ্য ওম্যান টেক রোজার টু হার রুম? What does the information given by Rosa? What was the information given by Rosa about his past? How did Lula Betts Washington Jones become a mother of that boy? What is the real wish of the boy? Why did Lula Betts Washington Jones describe about the wish in this age? What is the real way to fulfill the wish or desire in his life? Final question, how did the boy turn from mistrusted to trusted? What is the final decision of the boy? So that's all these questions. I think you will complete this one. If you have any problem, you just call me to my WhatsApp number 790 868 7462. Thank you very much for watching this channel.